In 2025, cyber threats are evolving at an unprecedented pace. Hackers are more sophisticated, targeting both individuals and corporations. Staying informed about these threats is crucial for safeguarding your personal data and privacy. Understanding the new challenges in personal cybersecurity is vital. From phishing scams to ransomware, the digital landscape is fraught with dangers. Your first line of defense is staying informed and vigilant. Arrakis has always said that the human being is the strongest and the weakest link in the cybersecurity chain, and quite often at the same time. Knowledge will always equal power. Complex passwords are more critical than ever. Simple passwords are easily cracked by hackers using advanced algorithms. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to create strong, unique passwords that are at least 12 characters long for each account. Always implement MFA if you have the option to do so. Password managers are invaluable tools for generating and storing secure passwords. They simplify the process, ensuring you don't reuse passwords across platforms. We said it once and we'll say it again, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Biometric security is revolutionizing personal security. Fingerprints, facial recognition, and voice patterns offer unique identifiers that are difficult to replicate. However, it's essential to understand their limitations and potential vulnerabilities. Combining biometrics with traditional methods like passwords enhances security. This multi-layered approach makes it harder for unauthorized users to access your data, providing peace of mind in an increasingly digital world. In 2025, antivirus software alone isn't enough. Cyber threats have become more complex, requiring advanced security solutions. Explore comprehensive security suites that include firewalls, intrusion detection, and real-time monitoring. Keeping your devices updated is crucial. Regular software updates patch vulnerabilities that hackers exploit. Enable automatic updates and regularly check for new security patches to keep your devices secure. Encryption is your shield against data breaches. It transforms your sensitive information into unreadable code, protecting it from prying eyes. In today's world, encrypting your data is non-negotiable and a requirement for regulatory environments. Stay updated with the latest encryption tools and techniques. From end-to-end encryption in messaging apps to encrypted cloud storage, these tools ensure your data remains confidential and secure. Also, you should understand that not all cloud solutions are safe, even though you may think they are. Some cloud solutions allow for the cloud administrators to see your sensitive data, and you should be aware of the risk of that. Human error is a significant factor in cybersecurity breaches. Recognize phishing attempts and social engineering tactics. Continuous learning and awareness are your best defenses against these evolving threats. Arrakis Consulting offers great phishing exercises to help test your employees. By staying informed and vigilant, you'll protect your digital life. Remember, cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. Let's commit to learning and adapting together to stay one step ahead of cyber threats. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to see how we can help you get better.